Hi friends. In today's video, we will see how to add your elements to BannerBoo. In BannerBoo you can upload bitmap images, vector illustrations, animated elements, audio and video. The editor supports images in JPEG, PNG, GIF formats, illustrations in SVG format, animated objects in SVG, GIF and APNG, audio MP3 and video MP4 format. In order to upload your file, go to the Uploads menu. Here we can import Photoshop projects, upload our files, as well as see a library of previously uploaded objects. For the correct display of SVG files when exporting from Adobe Illustrator, you need to specify CSS properties with the Presentation Attributes option. In order to add your own object, click on the Upload Your Own Assets button. Select the desired file in the window. As you can see, once our file is added to the object library, we can include it in our banner design. In order to import the Photoshop project into BannerBoo, we need to rasterize all its layers. So, before importing, be sure to go to the project, select all layers, right-click and select Rasterize Layers from the pop-up menu. After that, don't forget to save the project. Then click Import from PSD and select our project. As we can see, all the images have been added to the workspace and to our Downloads library. The arrangement of layers on the timeline is in the same order as the arrangement of layers in the Photoshop project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day and see you in the next videos.